What up, Instagram? What up, YouTube? It feels like it's been a few days. I don't know if it has or if it hasn't. I've been a bit busy with life, as most of us are. Yeah, the headsets look a little weird. I have them right here. It's just trying to pick up the sound from the mic. I realize this is here, and you're probably hearing a little fan in the background. The sound is not going to be as clear. It's because of my PC. Um, desk is a mess, so I'm not going to show you. So that's the sound of the fan of my PC, and I'm doing this for my phone today. Kind of got the little hack on OS Studio on how to block the sound, but I'm not doing this for my PC today. I'm also in the process of upgrading my camera. Actually, I'm not upgrading my camera. I'm using my phone as a much better camera. I just figure out a way of how to use it, and I'm gonna get a little bit of light. I'm gonna get a little bit of light and what else, and a different mic. So the sound and the lighting looks better when I speak. I'm just a perfectionist at everything. It's a good thing and a bad thing at times. But anyway, I'd rather be nice. So to give you guys an update, I'm still working towards Project 5 on my journey to become a professional developer. My eyes are driving away because I'm looking at what I'm working on. So I'm still working towards Project 5 and Treehouse, Team Treehouse. And right now I'm not working on Project 5 yet. I'm just working towards Project 5. So right now I'm working on practice, like all the JavaScript pieces that I've touched, because that's what's coming up. The next project is all JavaScript based. It's always going to have CSS and HTML, but it's very minimum. Now it's going to be mostly JavaScript. So what I worked on variables and strings, and tomorrow I'll be working on conditional statements, if and else statements. I already know it, but it's always good to practice. Then I'm doing the math, practicing math methods, and then I'm doing the function, the basic and arrow functions. So hopefully tomorrow I get to do all those. If I don't, I'm shooting for 2 just because our time has been, but hopefully tomorrow is a different day and I get to do as many as possible. After that, I'm able to move on to closer to Project 5. Just wanted to give another update. Today is, I'm still doing the 100 days of code. I think I'll be doing that for quite a while, even after I hit 100 days. Today is where are you? Day 45, 100 days of code in JavaScript, 30 days of JavaScript, but you could do round 2. It's day 25. I'm actually just 5 days away. I just realized. So yeah, 25 days of JavaScript, 30 and 45 days of almost halfway there of JavaScript. Of 100 days of code. I also did a badge. I got to get a badge today, and it's a template literals, but I know it. I feel very comfortable with template literals. It's a lifesaver. Better than concatenation, if I'm pronouncing that right. So that's the update. Been a little bit busy, more than usual. I'm putting more stuff on my plate, which I enjoy. I enjoy being busy, and I'm cracking at this code. Felt stuck for a little bit, and arrows on functions, and so that's why I restarted the curriculum of JavaScript functions, and I just went through the thing. Actually did it 3 times, and now I feel more comfortable. And that's what I want. I don't want to get stuck on a project. I don't want to get stuck on a project and then have to research, which probably will happen, which is normal for those learning to code. But at least I want to have as much practice as possible before I move on. If you stuck around this long, thank you. Thank you for my biggest supporter, my wife. I love you to pieces. Thank you for everyone that's following my journey on becoming a professional developer, and stay tuned. I feel comfortable with the basics of JavaScript. This is just a little tag for myself. I feel comfortable with the basics. It's late too now. It's 12:45, so my brain is a little pumping. I feel comfortable with Oh, I just thought of something. One of my friends told me to record it this way. Where's the camera so I could feel like I'm looking at you guys? Now this is gonna be interesting. Yep, right there. Okay, reminder for next time. So now I have you spinning. So I feel comfortable with the basics of JavaScript. I feel like I could pull some stuff off, some fun stuff. But of course, there's a lot more to learn, and this new project is definitely going to teach me a lot. If you're in the Tampa area and you just want to connect, I know things are a little crazy. Everybody's getting out. You may believe or not believe on COVID. If you feel safe by keeping the distance and doing a video call, I'm 100% open for that. If you want to meet and catch up, that's also cool with me. I'm currently looking for employment on programming. I'm JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. Or if you know of any companies that you could point me out, DM me, or you could even post on this tag. Yeah, I have a lot to bring to the plate. I have lots of experience prior to programming, and it's all IT related. So just saying, brother looking to get employed. Thank you if you stuck around. Once again, I say this so many times at night. Maybe I should record myself during the day, because at night I'm just tired and I keep rumbling. I do that during the day as well, but at night tends to be a little bit more. Thanks for sticking around once again. And that's pretty much all I gotta say. Team Treehouse, if you're looking to learn, I'm not getting anything. They're not paying me to say this. I'm not providing you any links to get. I'm not giving you any links to give you to give me any type of benefits. I know that if you sign up, you get 7 days free, and within those 7 days, you should be able to make a decision. I tell you, I've tried a lot of different things, and to me, Team Treehouse is the best to learn programming at your own pace. Not knocking boot camps. If you want to go to that and pay thousands of dollars, sure, go ahead if it fits in your budget. I'm not gonna knock that, and it's great. But if you have a busy schedule like most people like myself, and you want to do it at your own pace from home and have a huge supportive community, I 100% suggest Team Treehouse. Check them out and enjoy. It's very, very promising. It's very good. If you have any questions about them, you could also DM me if you like, or just comment on this video, and I will respond back. Anything I can help with, I will. All right. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around this long. Deuces.